Hi, fifth grade. Today is Friday, October 16th. Today in class, turned in our final drafts, and in order to turn those in successfully, you need to have your first draft. I'm trying to find an example here. You need to have your first draft. It might look like this. Then you should also have a comment sheet from, if you're at home, I guess you probably have a comment sheet from mom or dad. You need at least one if you're at home. And then where they said something that they liked or something they want to know more about. And then you should also have a place where you wrote down the revisions that you wanted to add in. And then you need a final draft. You are welcome to handwrite them, but it is easier for me to read if you either take a picture and email it or just type up your final draft and share it to me. So the other thing we did was we finished writing in cursive on our B page. So we finished that sentence, busy bluebirds beautifully balance beneath brown branches before bedtime. And then you can turn that into me by taking a picture and emailing it to me. Make sure that you have a proper sentence structure with a capital letter at the beginning and a period at the end. And those are actually due on Monday. And today in class we took time to take a spelling test. We took time to take a spelling test and make sure I get the score for that, please. I did listen to a couple guided readers, and we talked about the fact that your guided reading project is going to be due on Thursday, October 22nd. And I went ahead and added that on the classroom page so that you have that document handy. If you can't remember what the projects are, here are some that I came up with, but remember that if you want to send me an email with another idea, I will let you know if it is feasible, if that's okay. We will be sharing these on October 22nd. Somehow I made my phone start doing something. I think it thought I was talking to it. So if you are a at-home learner, you are welcome to join our class on Thursday, October 22nd, and share your project over a Meet if you would like to, and then you can stay and see what your classmates have done too. Let's see, so your class time is, if you're a fifth grader, we start at about 10 after. It'll probably be more like quarter after by the time we talk about how to be a good audience member. So it'll be about 8:15 to 8:45-ish, 8:50 will be when we are presenting these. So keep that in mind and decide if you would like it to be, if you want to be included in that. We can certainly try to get a meet going so you can share. Or you can just share it to me, take a picture of it or whatever. Finally, today I did give kids the opportunity to do a cryptogram. It's not for a grade. It's just if you enjoy a challenge, you can try out the cryptogram. Here you can see that, and we only have to do the top one, and it's due on Monday. If you accept the challenge, then we might have tickets available for some kind of prize if you do complete it. It is the alphabet and then a cryptogram. It's like it encodes the alphabet and it uses numbers on this one. And you can see that it only filled in 4 of the letters. And then down here you can see the numbers have, some of the numbers have letters above them already, but some on the top line you need to fill in. And then as you start to figure out what the words are, you will be able to fill in other letters. And then if you know like what a 12 is, if you figure out that word, then you could go up here and put the 12 wherever it belongs and then look for, oh, are there other 12 somewhere else? And put in your letters that way, and that's how you figure out the code. Knowing that it's about basketball facts will also probably help you figure it out. So I will upload that as well to my Google Classroom. Get rid of my big screen here. It's always a little scary to see yourself like that on a camera. Make sure you're reading for fun. Make sure you finish your leveled reader, your guided reading book that I have assigned on the HMH page. And once again, make sure that you've taken your spelling test. I am not giving a new spelling list today, so there's no spelling homework. Your only homework is to write your cursive B paper, do the cryptogram if you want to, finish your final draft if it's not done yet. That needs to be submitted to me ASAP. And what else did I say? Oh, start thinking about your project for your guided reading book. If you haven't turned in cursive spelling yet, you need to do that. And just read for enjoyment. I think that's it. Have a great weekend.